Ever since I was a little kid, I loved to order fireworks and secret code rings and things like that. But now I'm older and I have more sense. And I order books that I made online with some of the services that produce photo books. And today I'm unboxing another one of my Kiddies with Presses books, Kids with Presses. And this one features kids from Latvia, a lot of kids from Latvia, also kids from America, and goes through all the kids that we've videotaped and photographed around the United States and around the region of the Northwest. Great fun. This is a nice book. Thanks for watching.